how you go about registering a domain. Just quickly registering it and add to cart. Check out the domain. So basically, I'm going to show how you can build a PBN ready. So once you come here, you go to next, and I got my detail, made the account, so it's all there. And I'm just going to subscribe to it right now here. Just going to subscribe. I just paid for the domain. Domain is done. I can go to my domain's names here. I'll give a little bit of a moment because it's registered. So a couple of minutes, I would say. And once you've done it, you go here, domain is here. You can see the domain is here, right? So once the domain is here, what you would do, so I click here and then unlock the registrar here, right? But right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to host this as a PBN. So go to private block, I create a private block, and then I put my domain, business is fine, and just like to get my name right here. So I'm actually glad that I got this keyword, blog hosting services, right? So I'm just installing this domain. It's as a PBN, so I'll give a few seconds to a minute or so, and then once it comes, it's a fresh domain, just getting installed right now, and once it's installed, what you need to do is you got to change the private name servers slightly different to changing the to WordPress sites really, but it's pretty easy once you know that one. It's online, 35 seconds, domain is online, and then what you do, I come here, I go and I get this, so I'll just actually copy and paste it here just to make it easy. I got the IP address, and then I go to domains, I go to here, and I go to name servers. Yeah, you got to make sure it's unlocked when you're doing that one. So you go to private name servers, and then I put the IP address, I put NS1, and I create it, and then I do the again, same the IP address for the domain, but NS2, update it, create it, it's done. So once that's done, I go to name servers again, and I used to go to custom name servers. This is the way it has to be given. These two places slightly different when you're hosting WordPress, like private blogs. You know, just like not like WordPress site hosting. You just only update the name server. So it's all done. Oh, name server number 2. Sorry, I didn't make it here. So name server 1, name server number 2. So you gotta get that one right, right? And then you change name servers. Last updated, all change. I would even come and unlock. I would just lock it again, so my domain is locked, cannot be pushed and stuff, cannot modify the DNS. So it's actually done, and once that's done, what I'll do, I'll come here, I'll look at the domain before activating the SSL certificate. I will check my lead DNS to make sure IP address is changed. You can see the name, service, everything I gave in a matter of minutes. A newly bought domain, it's all changed, and it's there. So once this is all here and the name servers and it's given or tested and passed all warning, you saw it's a from a point of domain was registered. I will go to SSL certificate. I'll come here. I'll activate the SSL certificate. It should be green. It's all done. I'll go back to the site. Now I should be able to log into my WordPress site. I'll give a little bit of moments, but you saw from the point of registering a domain under, I don't know, cousin, 2-3 minutes, domain is live, right?
Yeah.